Top 5. Eco-friendly carpet cleaning services solutions. Eco-friendly carpet cleaning services offer solutions that are gentle on the planet while effectively removing dirt and stains from your carpets. These options help keep your carpets stay clean and green, which prioritize both effective cleaning and environmental sustainability. 1. Steam cleaning, hot water extraction. Utilizing hot water and steam to penetrate deep into carpet fibers, loosening dirt, stains, and allergens. Steam cleaning typically relies on minimal or no chemical cleaning agents, making it a greener option for carpet cleaning. 2. Dry carpet cleaning. Dry carpet cleaning involves the use of specialized machines and cleaning compounds that require little to no water. Instead, dry cleaning agents are applied to the carpet, agitated, and then vacuumed up along with the dirt and debris. This method is more environmentally friendly as it conserves water and reduces the use of chemicals. 3. Biodegradable and plant-based cleaning solutions. Many eco-friendly carpet cleaning companies offer cleaning solutions that are biodegradable and derived from plant-based ingredients. These solutions are formulated to be gentle on the environment while still effectively removing dirt and stains from carpets. Some examples include citrus-based cleaners, vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. 4. Carbonated cleaning. Carbonated cleaning uses carbonation to lift dirt and stains to the surface of the carpet, where they can be easily extracted. This method requires less water and fewer chemicals compared to traditional carpet cleaning methods, making it a greener option. 5. Encapsulation. Cleaning. Encapsulation cleaning involves the use of specialized cleaning solutions that encapsulate dirt and debris in microscopic crystals. Once dried, these crystals can be easily vacuumed away, leaving behind clean carpets without the need for excessive water or harsh chemicals. Incorporating eco-friendly carpet cleaning solutions into your cleaning routine not only helps protect the environment, but also ensures a healthier living or working space. Whether you opt for steam cleaning, dry carpet cleaning, biodegradable solutions, carbonated cleaning, or encapsulation cleaning, each method offers effective cleaning power without compromising on sustainability. So why wait? Embrace eco-conscious cleaning today and experience the difference it makes in preserving both your carpets and the planet. Still unsure about which method is best for you and your facility? Feel free to contact us for a no-obligation consultation. Call 317-222-139 or visit system4indy.com today.